Let's make Milky Puff Puff. To a bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, then add a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. Mix together until well combined and set aside. To a cup with warm evaporated milk, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix together. I'm using evaporated milk as this adds a lovely flavor and richness to your puff puff. Pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together until well combined. Depending on the type of flour and the weather condition in your area, you might need to add more liquid. The goal is to achieve a consistency like so. Cover and allow to proof until your batter doubles or even triples in size. The proofing time will depend on the heat and the weather condition in your area. So, proof for at least an hour, but if more time is required, then allow it to rest. Patience, as they say, is gold. After 2 hours, my batter is ready for the next step. Remove any air bubbles and let the fun begin. To a saucepan with vegetable oil, add the batter and fry on medium heat until golden brown. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. The frying time will depend on the size of your puff puff. Mine took around 3 to 5 minutes. Once the puff puff is ready, remove from the heat and enjoy. These puff puff are rich, milky, and absolutely delicious. I had mine with a cup of hot chocolate. So good. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.